Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm great, Mike. I'm a little hungry actually.
Me too. And that's perfect because today we're talking about food.
Yes, today's topic is ordering food and eating in English. This is so useful for everyday life.
That's right. We're going to practice real conversations, the kind you use at restaurants, at cafes, or with friends.
And before we start, please hit that like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe if you want more English practice. We make new videos every week.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Let's do it. Let's talk about food.
Okay, Mike, let's imagine we're at a restaurant.
Great. So when you arrive at a restaurant, what do you say first?
Good question. Usually someone will ask you, how many people?
Listen to this example.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
2 people, please.
Perfect. Let's say it again. Listen carefully.
2 people, please.
Now you try. Say it with me. 2 people, please.
Good job. You can also say just 1 if you're alone, or 4 people if you have a group.
That's right. Now, after that, they might ask, smoking or non-smoking?
In many countries, you can't smoke in restaurants anymore, but you might still hear this question.
Listen to the answer. Non-smoking, please.
Non-smoking, please. Say it with us. Non-smoking, please.
Excellent. Now they will take you to your table, and they'll give you a menu.
A menu. That's the list of food and drinks. Menu. Say it. Menu.
Great. Now you're sitting at the table. The waiter comes back, and they ask, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? This means, do you know what you want?
If you're ready, you say, yes, I'm ready, or just, yes, please.
Listen. Yes, I'm ready.
Now you say it. Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. But what if you need more time?
Good question. You can say, not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes? Let's practice this one. Repeat after me. Not yet.
Can I have a few more minutes?
Wonderful. The waiter will say, of course, or no problem, and they'll come back later.
You're doing great. Let's practice this conversation together. I'll be the waiter. Mike, you're the customer.
Okay.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
2 people, please.
Great. Follow me. Here's your table. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
Of course. I'll be back soon.
Did you hear that? That's a real conversation at a restaurant.
Now let's do it again, but this time you be the customer. Speak out loud with Mike.
Ready? I'll be the waiter. You answer.
Here we go.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
Now you say it. Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. But what if you need more time?
Good question. You can say, not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes? Let's practice this one. Repeat after me. Not yet.
Can I have a few more minutes?
Wonderful. The waiter will say, of course, or no problem, and they'll come back later.
You're doing great. Let's practice this conversation together. I'll be the waiter. Mike, you're the customer.
Okay.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
2 people, please.
Great. Follow me. Here's your table. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
Of course. I'll be back soon.
Did you hear that? That's a real conversation at a restaurant.
Now let's do it again, but this time you be the customer. Speak out loud with Mike.
Ready? I'll be the waiter. You answer.
Here we go.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
Good. You can say, 2 people, please.
Are you ready to order?
Nice. You can say, yes, I'm ready. Or, not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
You're improving already.
Okay, now you're ready to order. This is the fun part.
The waiter will ask, "What would you like?"
What would you like? This is a polite way to say, what do you want?
Listen to the question. What would you like?
Now, here's how to answer. You say, I'd like plus the food.
I'd like is short for I would like. It's polite and very common.
For example, I'd like a sandwich.
I'd like a salad.
I'd like the pasta.
Notice we said the pasta. You can use the when you're talking about something specific on the menu.
Let's practice. Repeat after Mike. I'd like a sandwich.
I'd like a sandwich.
Good. Now try this one. I'd like the chicken.
I'd like the chicken.
Excellent work. Now, sometimes the waiter will ask you questions about your food.
For example, if you order a burger, they might ask, how would you like it cooked?
That means, do you want it well done, medium, or rare?
Well done means cooked a lot. Medium means cooked in the middle. Rare means not very cooked.
Listen. Medium, please.
Medium, please. Say it with me. Medium, please.
Perfect. Another common question is about drinks. The waiter will ask, what would you like to drink?
Or sometimes, anything to drink?
You can answer, I'd like water, please.
I'd like a Coke.
I'd like orange juice.
Or if you don't want anything, you can say, just water, thanks.
Just water, thanks. That's easy. Let's say it together. Just water, thanks.
Great. Now let's practice a full ordering conversation. I'll be the customer. Sarah will be the waiter.
What would you like to order?
I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
I'd like orange juice, please.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out.
Easy, right?
Now let's do it one more time. This time, you practice. Answer out loud.
I'll be the waiter. You're the customer. Ready? Hi, what would you like to order? Good. You can say, I'd like the pasta, or any food you want.
Anything to drink?
Nice. You can say, I'd like water, or I'd like Coke, or anything you like.
You're doing so well. That's a real conversation.
Let's learn a few more useful phrases before we move on.
Sometimes you need to ask questions about the menu. You can say, what's in this?
What's in this? This means, what ingredients are in this food?
For example, what's in the salad?
The waiter might answer, it has lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese.
Another useful phrase, is this spicy?
Is this spicy? Say it with me. Is this spicy?
Perfect. And if you have allergies, you can say, I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts, or I'm allergic to seafood. This is very important.
Let's practice these questions. Repeat after me. What's in this?
Is this spicy?
I'm allergic to nuts.
Excellent. These phrases are so useful when you order food.
Okay, now the food is coming. You're eating. What happens next?
Good question. Usually, the waiter will come back and ask, how is everything?
How is everything? This means, is the food good? Do you need anything?
Listen, how is everything?
If the food is good, you say, everything is great, thanks.
Or, it's delicious. Delicious means very, very good.
It's delicious. Say it with me. It's delicious.
Perfect. Now, what if you need something? Maybe you need more water or more napkins.
Napkins are the paper you use to clean your hands or mouth.
You can say, can I have more water, please?
Or, can I have some napkins, please?
Listen to the full phrase. Can I have more water, please?
Let's practice. Repeat, can I have more water, please?
Great. Now try this. Can I have some napkins, please?
Wonderful. Here's another useful phrase. If you want extra sauce, you say, can I have extra ketchup?
Or, can I have extra sauce? Extra means more.
Let's practice. Can I have extra sauce?
Perfect. Now, what if something is wrong with your food?
Good question. If your food is cold or wrong, you should say something politely.
You can say, excuse me, this is a little cold. Can you heat it up?
Excuse me, this is a little cold. Heat it up means make it warm again.
Or if they gave you the wrong food, you say,
Excuse me, I ordered the pasta, not the pizza.
I ordered the pasta, not the pizza. Let's say that together. I ordered the pasta.
Good. The waiter will fix the problem. They'll say, "I'm so sorry," and bring you the right food.
Now let's practice a conversation during the meal. I'll be the waiter.
And I'm eating. Here we go.
Hi, how is everything?
It's delicious, thank you.
Great. Do you need anything?
Yes, can I have more water, please?
Of course, I'll bring that right away.
Easy. Now you try it. Answer out loud.
I'm the waiter, you're the customer.
How is everything?
Good. You can say, it's great, or it's delicious.
Do you need anything?
Nice. You can say, no thank you, or yes, can I have more water?
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing.
Okay, you finished eating. Now what?
Now you need to pay. This is the last part.
When you're ready to leave, you need to ask for the bill.
The bill, that's the paper with the total price. In America, people call it the check.
So you can say, can I have the bill, please?
Or, can I have the check, please? Both are correct.
Let's practice. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the check, please?
Perfect. The waiter will bring the bill, and then you pay.
In many countries, you can pay with cash or card.
If you pay with card, the waiter might ask, cash or card?
You answer, card, please, or cash, please.
Let's say it. Card, please.
Cash, please.
Great. Now, here's something important. In some countries, like the United States, you need to leave a tip.
A tip, that's extra money you give to the waiter for good service.
Usually 15 to 20% of the bill.
But not all countries do this. In some countries, the tip is included, or tipping is not expected.
So check the customs of the country you're visiting.
After you pay, the waiter will say, "Thank you, have a nice day."
And you can say, thank you, you too.
Or just, "Thanks, bye."
Let's practice the ending conversation. Mike, you're the waiter.
Okay, you're the customer.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, here you go. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Did you hear that? That's how you finish at a restaurant.
Now you try. Practice with us.
Mike will be the waiter. You're the customer. Speak out loud.
Ready? How is everything today?
Good. Maybe you said, great, thanks.
Okay, let me know when you're ready for the bill. Here's your bill. Cash or card?
Nice. Maybe you said, card, please.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Perfect. Maybe you said, thanks, you too.
You did it. You just finished a full restaurant conversation in English.
That's amazing progress.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
First, when you arrive, how many people? You answer, 2 people, please.
When you're ready to order, what would you like? You say, I'd like the pasta, please.
During the meal, how is everything? You say, it's delicious.
If you need something, can I have more water, please?
And when you finish, can I have the bill, please?
Then you pay and say, thank you, bye.
Easy, right? Let's learn a few bonus phrases before we finish.
These are extra phrases that are really useful.
If you want to take extra food home, you say, can I have a to-go box?
Or, can I have a takeout box? This is a box for leftover food.
Can I have a to-go box? Say it with me.
Great. Another phrase. If you want to split the bill with friends, you say, can we split the bill?
Can we split the bill? This means everyone pays their part.
Or you can say, separate checks, please. This means everyone gets their own bill.
Separate checks, please. Let's practice. Separate checks, please.
Perfect. One more bonus phrase. If you want a recommendation, you ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend? This means, what's good here?
The waiter will tell you the popular dishes. Then you can decide.
Let's say it together. What do you recommend?
Excellent. Now you have so many useful phrases.
Wow, we learned so much today.
We did. Let's quickly review the most important phrases one more time.
2 people, please.
I'd like the chicken, please.
It's delicious.
Can I have more water, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. You now know how to order food and eat at a restaurant in English.
And remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases when you travel or with friends.
That's right. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
You're doing an amazing job. We're so proud of you.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Here it is. What's your favorite food?
Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food?
Is it pizza, pasta, rice, sushi?
We want to know. Write your answer in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please hit that like button.
And subscribe for more English practice every week.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.